there are tools out there that help us have a much deeper understanding of the influence that our packaging has on consumer behavior. Savvy brands know that there's really nothing new in the world. It's just different. And so most consumer packaged goods can't really change. And that's the point. Brands are brands because they deliver on expectation. Changing any of these formulas changes the identity of the product, but the packaging can change, and it does so frequently. That's because the marketplace never sits still, and shopper behaviors change quickly, and packaging is what literally sits between your product and your customer. So an understanding of that dynamic is what creates success, and it's how you leverage packaging to communicate value. It makes all the difference. Here we have an example, a study that we did where we had 3 populations. These were at-home users that received an e-commerce delivery to their home, and the product was the same with the exception of the dunnage materials. When you look to the data, and this is all emotional data, so checking the emotion of that initial unboxing experience, we found out that there was one that was significantly different than the rest. We found that packaging peanuts have a significantly more negativity compared to any of the other dunnage and protective packaging material. So it's interesting to look at just dunnage, just protective packaging has an influence on how we feel when we're unboxing that product for the first time.
Want to be part of the world's largest community of subscription innovators? Join our community today and take your subscription business to the next level.
For just $9 a month or $99 a year,
you'll get access to insightful content, actionable workshops, and industry insights.
Not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. And with SubSummit Premium membership, you also get discounts on our live events.
Customer experience, operations, you name it, it's all there at subta.com. It's some of the best money you could ever spend.
If you're in the subscription business, joining SubTA is a no-brainer.
We can't wait to meet you. Join us at subta.com.